people to help them as well.
Yes.
Okay, nice one. I love the fact that you are, touching all areas of life, at this age. Okay, beautiful. Now, if you are given a chance to work with any other renowned artist, any musician, the one that has made it so far, who would you want to work with?
I would like to make with Yo Maps.
Yo Maps.
Yes.
Ah, beautiful.
Also as Chandana K.
Chandana K.
Yes.
Wow. I would love to work with them as well.
Yes.
Beautiful. That's nice. And who is your role model in terms of music? Who inspires you?
What?
Who do you like? Who do you listen to so much in terms of the musicians?
Yo Maps.
Your Maps.
Yes.
Okay. So it's inspiring you. I love that. Okay. Nice one. Now, apart from doing this music, do you also sing at church?
No.
You don't?
Only at Sunday school.
Sunday school.
Yes.
Ah, I like that. Beautiful. Now, Dad, where do we see this music 2 years from now?
I'm sure by God's grace, because our plans cannot be compared with God's plans. So God's time is the best, as long as we are trying our level best, especially with you, the radio stations. If you are able to support our music, that means our music will be somewhere there. I cannot say 2 years from now. I just know that as long as I just know that she's young. You know, a lot of people would like to listen to this young girl. Who is this girl? Who is this girl?
Yeah.
So our music will go from here to there. The sky is the limit.
It will go places.
Yes, the sky is the limit. That one I know.
Wow.
Yes.
Beautiful. I have a text message here. It says, go, Foster, go. This is powerful. From Mary Chifubu.
Thank you.
Okay, beautiful indeed. And of course, this beautiful soul here doing it in style just like that. I would really want to see, there are certain times that we see children start up very well like this, and then in the long run, they tend to stop music and focus on something else. How are you going to sustain this talent?
I'm sure the only thing that can disturb Foster is school, I'm sure.
Okay.
But I can assure you, Foster in class, there are about 50 what? How many are you in your class?
51.
There are 51, and she came out number 2. So which simply means that Foster is doing fine in terms of academics.
Wow. Beautiful.
So talent in school fiance Foster filendera ni 50-50. Ni 50-50. I'm sure maybe
50-50.
50-50. I'm sure when she reaches at a certain stage, when she would just say ndefo kwamba kuilembela music yandi. I'm sure I'll leave my pen on that one. I'll put the pen down. Okay. But for now, I'm able to control her music. Whoever wants to sing with her, I have to see the type of music the person is bringing. Because it's not all about any music that fila kubamo. Number one, mwai chero fut mwana we school. So the type of music should be the music that will inspire people.
Okay.
Then just because she has a good voice. So those are the things that I'm talking about.
Oh, nice one.
Yes.
Another text here says, what are the plans for this year?
Our plan is to quatire, as I have said, that God's time is the best, because it was a plan to some boom, COVID na kabili ya abuela takuri fili fiance. But we are trying to record as many songs as we can. So today we are supposed to record another song, which is early marriage. Yeah, we want to sensitize people. You know, early marriage is now full. Someone who is just 12 now kwa tomwana. So we are working on that song. So anytime soon the song will come out.
Wow, beautiful. Another text message here says, wonderful voice, little girl. God bless you, baby girl. This is Ngosa from Kansenshi.
God bless you too.
Nice.
Thank you.
That's Ngosa from Kansenshi. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Ngosa, as well. And obviously, the producer also, does he have a tough time when you're in studio?
No, I can assure you, I'm not trying to brag about my daughter. Foster is something else. She's a machine.
Okay.
When I say she's a machine, you know, I've seen some of the guys, because I'm not a musician, but most of the time I find myself go studio because of the same girl.
Okay.
So you'd find that a lot of guys who come with some papers, but with Foster, once we rehearse home, that's it.
Okay.
We go to the studio, it's a knockover thing.
Wow.
So she's something who is able to keep the lyrics in her head. So that's a good part of my girl.
Okay.
So she'll keep whatever we have rehearsed home. By the time we're going to the studio, the DJ, the producer will just say, no, apa, send to me. That's what the girl does.
Okay. Beautiful. Apart from singing, what else does she do?
She's into acting.
She's an actor.
Yes, she's an actress.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
How?
Try to go to, as I've said, try to go to my Facebook page, which is MC Kasamba Zambia, and some of our videos you'll find them at Zambia Landscape.
Okay.
Yes.
There are some places there?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh no, sometimes you'll find that the landscape will just pick from our page, post them on their page.
Oh, okay.
So that's what we did. From landscape, you find there some of my videos are there. MC Kasamba, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. If you want to watch some of the videos that me and Foster do.
Like YouTube. Okay.
Yes.
I love that. Nice one. Now, before we you know, I don't know why time flies when you're having a good time. But then before we go, I would love you once again to give us a little piece of music. Because abantu abamanati YouTube achani fila film iTunes